Hello! Our next lesson will be subtracting fractions. In this video, we're going to have the rules and examples, drills, and problem solving. The first part of our lesson will be subtracting similar fractions. Subtract the numerators and copy the denominator. Simplify the answer if possible. 5 over 7 minus 4 over 7. 5 minus 4 is 1 over, copy the denominator, 7. So, the answer is 1 over 7. 7 over 20 minus 3 over 20. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Copy the denominator, 20. 4 over 20 can be simplified. 4 can be divided by 4, and 20 can also be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Therefore, the final answer is 1/5. In this case, we can subtract the whole numbers. 18 minus 4 is 14. Then, subtract also the numerators. 4 minus 2 is 2. Copy the denominator, 9. The answer is 14 and 2 over 9. Next, we have 10 and 4 over 9 minus 5 and 1 over 9. We can subtract the whole numbers. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then subtract the numerators. 4 minus 1 is 3 over, copy the denominator, 9. As you can see, 3 over 9 can be simplified. You can divide 3 by 3. You can also divide 9 by 3. Copy the whole number, 5. And then 3 divided by 3 will give us 1 over 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So the final answer is 5 and 1/3. Next example. 8 and 4 over 9 minus 6 and 8 over 9. As you can see, 8 is greater than 4. We cannot subtract 8 from 4. So in this case, from 8 and 4 over 9, it should be 7 and 9 over 9 plus 4 over 9. 7 and 9 over 9 is equivalent to 8. 4 over 9 remains. And then, we add our fractions. That would be 9 plus 4 equals 13. Copy the denominator, 9, and the whole number, 7. So, 7 and 13 over 9 will be used to answer our problem. That will be 7 and 13 over 9 minus 6 and 8 over 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. 13 minus 8 is 5. Copy the denominator, 9. So the answer is 1 and 5 over 9. Answer drill number 1. You can pause your video while answering the activity. Let us check. Did you get it right? Next part of the lesson will be subtracting the similar fractions. So again, we have steps to follow. Example, 4/5 minus 3/4. Step 1, list all the multiples of both denominators. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Step 2, find the LCD. So here we have the LCD of 20. change to similar fractions. So that will be 20 over 20. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 3 is 15. 4/5 can be written as 16 over 20 and 3/4 can be written as 15 over 20. Now we can subtract. 16 minus 15 is 1. Copy the denominator 20. So the answer is 1 over 20. Answer drill number 2. You can pause your video. Let us check. Did you get it right? Problem solving number 1. You can pause your video. Let us check. John has 5 3/4 yards of cloth. He used 3 1/4 yards to cover the sofa. How much cloth is left? In this case, we have to subtract 5 3/4 and 3 1/4. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Subtract the numerators, we will have 2, and then copy the denominator 4. 2 2/4. 2/4 can be simplified into 1/2. Therefore, the answer is 2 1/2. 2 1/2 yards of cloth was left. Number 2. Again, you can pause your video. Let us check. Mina has 7 over 8 pack of cookies. She gave 3/5 of it to Nita. How many cookies were left to Mina? Let us solve. 7 over 8 minus 3/5. We have the similar fractions, so we have to get the LCD. The LCD of 8 and 5 is 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. So, 7 over 8 can be written as 35 over 40. Minus 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Therefore, 3/5 can be written as 24 over 40. Now let us subtract. 35 minus 24 will give us, that's right, it's 11. 11 and then copy the denominator 40. The answer is 11 over 40. 11 over 40 of the cookies were left to Mina. Number 3. Again, you can pause your video. Let us check. In this problem, we have 1 and 2 over 7 minus 7 over 8. Since we have the similar fractions, we need to get the LCD of 2 7s and 7 8s, and that is 56. We need to copy 1. Next, 56 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Therefore, 2 7s can be written as 16 over 56. Next will be 56 divided by 8 equals 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Therefore, 7 eighths can be written as 49 over 56. Can we now subtract? No, we cannot subtract 49 from 16 because 49 is greater than 16. Therefore, we need to convert 1 into 56 over 56. And then add that to our 16 over 56. 56 plus 16 is 72. Copy the denominator 56. Now, we can subtract our 49 over 56. 72 minus 49 is 23. Copy the denominator 56. Therefore, the answer is 23 over 56. But wait, there is another solution. 1 and 2 over 7 can be converted into mixed fraction. That is 7 times 1, 7. And then 7 plus the numerator 2 equals 9. So that will be 9 over 7 minus 7 over 8. Again, we need the LCD. So that is 56. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. 56 divided by 8 is 7 times 7 is 49. As you can see, we already have the same mathematical expression. 72 minus 49 is again 23. Copy the denominator 56. And there we have the same answer. 23 over 56. Jade must walk 23 over 56 kilometers more. Thank you! I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Please like, subscribe, and share.